YouTube Premium is going to offer Share, Play, and enhanced 1080p video on iPhone. Enhanced 1080p? Why won't I just use 4K? YouTube Premium subscribers will soon have access to Share, Play, and an enhanced 1080p video quality option. With a higher bit rate on iPhone, I guess it's like an in-between choice, or... No, because you're on the iPhone, that's why. You get 4K is not going to do any good for you. You don't have a 4K display. SharePlay will let you watch YouTube videos with friends and family while on a FaceTime call together. Oh, isn't that so cute, Will? We're so close together that we watch YouTube while on FaceTime.
I could see some use for that.
It's freaking dark, dude, all right?
It's not dark,
Good
dude.
Lord, get it together, people. Meet me later on FaceTime so we can watch YouTube.
No.
Yes, Will, yes. And I'm sick of it. And I'm sick of it. No, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it.
You are.
All these enhancements to keep people, encourage people further
it's like a
distance.
Little watch party for you and like your little girlfriend back in high school or something.
Little girlfriend.
I can see like use for this. Like
I know there's use for it, Will.
Not
Obviously,
for you, okay?
They're building it and there's use for it, but I'm just sick of all the ways in which we're supposed to be happy staring at our phones. I'm sick of it at this point.
I hear you.
3,000 different ways in which they're like, you're still socializing. I'm like, are you? Like, is it the same? And I know chat popping off about it, like, hey man, it's all we got, we're a long distance. Okay fine. Jeez. Other perks available to YouTube Premium subscribers starting today include an option to queue videos in the iOS and Android app, the ability to continue watching a video from where you left off when switching devices, and an option to have recommended videos automatically downloaded while on Wi-Fi for offline viewing at a later time. YouTube Premium costs $11.99 per month in the US and provides ad-free video playback, the ability to play videos while using other apps, or while the device's screen is locked. Lovely. YouTube Premium. You don't have to sell me, Will. I already pay for it.
Okay, yeah. This is the same article.
I already pay for it, Will.